NAZMED SMS SDN BHD, Dedicated Surgical and Dental Instrument Repair Workshop, Malaysia. Every instrument matters. Across hospitals and clinics, thousands of surgical and dental instruments remain unused, not because they are obsolete, but because they need professional care. Unusable, faulty, left unattended. Improperly aligned, blunt, or stiff instruments compromise performance, safety, and efficiency. Replacing them is costly, but ignoring them is even riskier. A complete instrument repair and care solution. At NAZMED SMS SDN BHD, we have established a dedicated surgical and dental instrument repair workshop in Malaysia, designed to restore performance, hygiene, and reliability. Jaw and ratchet alignment. Restores precise locking and operational safety, restoring accurate grip and secure locking using specialized alignment tools. Tension adjustment and performance setting. Ensures smooth movement and controlled force. Fine-tuning tension to ensure smooth operation and controlled performance. Refurbishment and polish finishing. Improving appearance, usability, and handling through professional finishing. Resharpening of scissors and cutting instruments. Resharpening cutting edges for clean, effortless performance. Ultrasonic deep cleaning. Removes hidden contaminants from joints and surfaces. Removing debris and contaminants from hard-to-reach areas. Medical-grade passivation. Enhances corrosion resistance and surface protection, applying medical-grade passivation to protect against rust and staining. Dry heat sterilization, 125 degrees Celsius. Eliminates bacteria for hygienic instrument handling. Ensuring hygienic safety by eliminating bacteria through controlled heat. UV light sterilization. Additional disinfection against bacteria and viruses. Enhancing protection by eliminating bacteria and viruses using UV technology. Laser marking and custom engraving. Permanent, precise engraving for hospital names, asset numbers, and traceability. Warranty support and beyond. We provide touch-up, sharpening, and alignment services for SMS, Relpro, and NOPA instruments within warranty, and we also repair instruments from any other brand, even when they are no longer claimable. Restore, protect, extend instrument life. NAZMED SMS SDN BHD, trusted care for surgical and dental instruments. NAZMED SMS, your trusted partner in instrument care, repair, and after-sales service.